Times now has accessed exclusive visuals of a meeting between top commanders of terrorist groups like Lashkar, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen in South Kashmir. Now, this clearly exposes the new terror strategy that is being played out in the valley. Farid joining us for more details on this. Farid, tell us what we are seeing in these visuals here.
Well, yes, these are exclusive visuals that Times now has access to a terror meet. Basically, in these visuals, you can see top commanders of Jaish, Lashkar, Hizbul Mujahideen meeting at some undisclosed location in the forest of South Kashmir. Top commanders of Lashkar, Jaish could be seen in this footage. Also, the other cadre. Basically, as there are inputs that these militant organizations are now coming together. This footage a proof of that because now they are coming together on the back of, in fact, on the face of a tremendous pressure applied on them by the security forces in the form of various encounters. Their cadre has been badly hit, and now, just to keep the pot of militancy boiling, they have come together. They have pooled in whatever resources they have in the form of men and ammunition in order to stay relevant and also to be operationally capable. And this footage, clear proof of that. And of course, we have inputs. There are sources in the security agencies who tell us that this being election year, there are clear instructions from the terror top brass across the border to the cadre in the valley to really come together, pool in, and to ensure that they stay relevant and create an atmosphere of fear through some attacks before the elections so that to sabotage or scuttle the democratic process. Back to you.
Well, exactly, Farid. I was coming to that. With just a couple of months to go for the general elections, is this a new strategy that is coming together? And also, what do you know of Pakistani inputs in this new strategy where all these various terror outfits are actually joining ranks now?
Well, the strategy is quite clear. Just some days back, you saw a major encounter in North Kashmir's Kupwara forest where 7 Lashkar-e-Toiba militants were killed. So clearly, they are pushing in as many militants as possible, although lately there have been very few instances of infiltration, mostly because of the very high snow levels and preparedness of the army on the line of control. But yes, there are still militants who are trying to sneak into this side, trying to reach the hinterland and then really start their activities. Now, there are really credible inputs about the fact that there are clear instructions to the cadre here, to the militant cadre, to really up the ante before the elections, because we have seen that previously also whenever there has been a season of election, the militants have tried to come and try to show their presence in a big way by targeting some political activists or coming out with some kind of attack so as to spread kind of fear among the people so that they do not participate in the elections. So that could be the modus operandi this time around as well, and that is why the security agencies are at the highest alert. One example of that is the recent encounter, and now also the security grid, that is various security agencies, are coming together and are chalking out a strategy to ensure that there is a peaceful build-up to the elections. But yes, you have the militants as well, and this footage clearly shows that the militant organizations are also coming together and ensuring that they somehow manage to keep the pot of militancy boiling in the valley. Back to you.